trying to impress you. Let's see who this person is. Somebody is trying to impress the High Priestess. This can be a past person, and ex-person or ex-partner, and this person is trying to impress you, to get your attention back, to get everything about you, the knowledge, whatever you are doing, how you're doing it. Somebody is actually trying to spy on your energy. They can be sending you some what is that? They can send something negative to monitor what are you doing, to get all the information about you, and you might know this. So or you can see that whatever you are trying to do, you feel drained, or you don't feel that same urge to do whatever you are trying. Whenever you try to strive for something great, you feel like you would not be able to do this. You belong to somebody else, you belong to something else, you're not that good person, you will not be able to make it. These kind of things are happening because somebody is actively trying to put you down and take you as somebody who's very weak, and you will not be able to continue with your life without this person. So they are trying to put you into a trap by force, or by showing you, or by making you feel like you are dumb, you're dumb, you're stupid, you can't make any right decisions. So that's a very toxic person they are, and they are actively trying to force you into a situation, or they might know something about you, or trying to move on, there has a crush, or there is a new connection happening. So they are actively trying to manifest negative things in your life, and they want to know everything about that person. What are you thinking? What is your daily routine? Who you are thinking about? And if you try to connect with some other people, or try to connect with someone else, they will try to stop you from that, because they can't believe, or they can't you belong to them. You just can't move on with your life. You just can't do things by your own. You have to be always trapped. You just think about this person. They are doing some negative or some black magic over you, so that your mind is completely trapped, and you always go towards that direction only. This person is using black magic heavily, or they are using that spell work so that your career doesn't move from the place it is. If you're choosing something, it should not move, or it should not grow. So they have done something. They're actively manipulating the energetic powers, and God is trying to tell you, see the person for who they are. They are the people who will never try to make you grow, or they will never allow you to grow in your life and your career, because they feel like you are not meant to shine. You are meant to always, your shine should not be there. You will be suppressed forever. This person has done something very significant on your career, on your mindset, or something which will completely cover up everything. Or it can be a message from the goddesses that they are trying to mock you. They are trying to mock your energy. So this person who is trying to do this with you, they are suffering from some kind of a mental health issues, or they are psycho, or they can be very silly, or this person can be very much moody, or they are not in the right space. So whoever this person is, this can be a toxic ex-partner, or this can be somebody who was in your connection, or who was in your life, but they are now trying to heavily block your career path and success and everything, because they just can't feel, or they just don't feel good enough about themselves, because you are moving on with your life. Your career should not be good. I'm channeling whatever they are trying to tell to you. What is the protective goddesses are trying to tell you something about this person. Never accept this person back in your life. Goddesses are trying to tell you, you're so innocent, and you're extremely stupid when it comes to this person. You have to understand, if you have a new connection, there is no new person, your friend should have no control over your romantic life. If they are trying to they're trying to overpower your romantic life, they are trying to, or they are manipulating something, and you can feel that way. You have to monitor some people. What are they manifesting? So you can have really, really toxic friend group, and they have some idea about you and your romantic life, and they are trying to give all the information, and they are trying to do something behind your back to actually trying to create some power clash between you and somebody else by sharing negative information. What is that? Yeah, they are giving wrong information about you to that person, and in return they are letting the power play, like you should not move on in your life. They are feeling happy, like this person is not moving on, this person is not actually making the progress that they should be. So they're happy. And what these people are doing to you, some people are actively trying to put you down. They are trying to engage you into something which is completely out of your, like, if you're not good in something, they are trying to actually engage you in something which is not good. So choose your friends very wisely. Even right now, there are some people around you and they are trying to get your attention. They are trying to get some advantage from you, or they want saying that do this for me, do that for me. Do not do it. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. These people are not good. So what is the guidance for you? Wait for some time, the universe will show you some sign. Don't be totally involved into a connection or in a story. Okay, if it is a connection, like if two people are dating or if you're dating someone, there has to be nobody else. That you should not read or you should not include somebody else into this picture. So it has to be completely you and the other person if they have to be. Some people are asking to God, some ex-partners are asking to God to please allow me to mend this connection with somebody else. Like they are asking God to, I want this person back, not just to, they want to fix things too much. It's mostly like it has become their stubbornness, or they are stubbornly trying to get you back. Yeah, to some extent they want to fix it. Should you believe such people? First of all, get rid of this trap that you belong to this person. No, you do not belong to anyone. Right now, you should belong to yourself. And first thing that you have to do is to don't try to run away from a feeling. If you feel that you are connected with someone or you have romantic feelings towards somebody, then you should choose, or you should express your feelings completely. Learn to be expressive, and if you have a special gift, do it the way it naturally comes to you. Don't try to. There is some sense of illusion that you are carrying with yourself. Let's see, what is that illusion that needs to be broken? Oh, okay, there was a toxic partner, there was a partner in your life, and they, whenever you try to talk in a very intelligent way, they always bullied you. They always bullied you, they always made you feel like you are stupid and dumb, and whatever you are talking makes no sense. This kind of a dumbo person and stupid person was there in your life, who felt like they are the most intelligent ones, they are the most romantic ones, they are the only ones in your life who will be there for you or less. These kind of dumbo people can be there, and now they are looking at you like, oh my god, somebody is giving you real attention for who you are, somebody is treating you really nice. They just can't stand it. They are doing everything possible in their power to make you feel like stupid, or this person is not right for you, or I am the good one for you. How can this person treat you so good? How can you be treated so good? This can be somebody who's extremely toxic. Or this person can be trying to fake a connection in front of you. The past person is trying to fake a connection in front of you by telling you that I am going to get engaged with someone, I am trying to get married to someone, or I will have a good partner, even good than you, better than you. They are trying to fake a connection in front of your partner that you only belong to me, or even to your current partner. This person is doing something to fake the situation, like this person will be mine, or they loved me actually so much and we belong to each other. They are fantasizing everything so much. You have a karma in the story. There is a karmic thing that you have to break. That's why this reading has manifested. Let me see what is the karmic thing. You have to leave somebody and move towards something else. It's a very blunt message. You have to leave something completely and then move towards something else. And when you have to leave it completely, what I mean is, you will never go back to the same thing. Make a promise to yourself that I will never go back to the same thing. Only then you will be able to stand your ground onto something. Like if you're chasing a partner, if you're going after something, make sure that you're not going to go back, or you will not follow the same things that you used to follow with a past connection. You will not ask same question that you used to ask in a connection with somebody else. You will not have the same approach that you used to have with the past person. Okay? So what is something that is being told to you? Once you decided completely that yes, I'm done with the past, once you leave it completely, you will see that you are so free to do whatever you want to do. You are so free, the whole world belongs to you. That's why the best career is not manifesting for you, the career path is not manifesting, because the world or the God is trying to ask you a question. Do you still want that stupid partner? Because you don't trust yourself fully, because of how they bullied you, how they make you feel that you are a stupid, you are a dumb person. So you have to leave that also. Once you leave, intuition will be on the point. You will try to hear everything that your intuition is trying to tell you. And once you make that choice, I am promising you one thing: your career will manifest, your love life will manifest, and it will be so beautiful. Nobody will be able to take that away from you. So Divine is telling you, if you really want to have a good life, you have to make a bold decision, and that is, if they bullied you, if they backstabbed you, if they made you feel like you are so little, you are not good for something, make a very clear distinction between past and future. Anybody can come to your life and make you feel like you're stupid because of your innocence, but that person should not be back in your life, because that person has actually they did everything possible at that moment to crush you. Yes, they are looking at you, they are trying to be, somehow they are trying to be back in your life. And if you want to move on, then choose yourself and get the freedom, and as you choose yourself, you'll have a new connection manifesting for you, and that person will be your real spouse, or the person that you should be marrying, by revealing your true identity to the world.